Hey everybody, I'm Mike Brooks. We have a lot to talk about today in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. I got my new best friend, Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Happy Hanukkah.
Thank you.
You want to talk about the holiday itself a little bit?
Sure. So traditionally, foods that are cooked during Hanukkah are cooked in oil. Okay, and so latkes are cooked in oil. Traditionally, they are made from a white potato. We're going to health these up a little bit and use sweet potatoes. So they're high in vitamin A, they are high in fiber, and but they still make a really crispy dish. And so what I've done is shredded these sweet potatoes, and so you could use a box grater, cut the ends off, just shred right into the bowl or onto a cutting board. And so once you have the nice shredded sweet potatoes, you're going to add some cornstarch. So this makes these gluten-free, and they would be most likely anyway. Traditional latkes have egg and maybe a little bit of flour.
Okay.
So we're using the cornstarch so that they are a gluten-free dish. And so once you have the shreds well coated with the cornstarch, you're just going to put a little, you're going to flip it right out of the bowl there.
Okay, we got a jumper, that's good.
That's right. And so these are going to go right into the pan. You can hear that nice sizzle.
Look at that. And just a few ingredients. Easy as can be, and healthy.
Very healthy, very inexpensive, very easy. And we don't do a lot of fried products just because, you know, we want to keep the fat down. But we're making an exception for Hanukkah, but that's why we kind of lighten these up with, or health these up with the sweet potatoes. So I like to give these just a little bit of a smush so that they will crisp up a little bit. And so when they are crispy and brown on one side, we'll flip them, crispy and brown on the other side, and they're done.
And that's it.
Right.
So cooking time, it just depends on how thick they are and how much you mush them down a little bit.
That's right. So I'm going to say they're going to be 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And so when these are done, you're going to flip them over. And then traditionally these are going to be served with applesauce or sour cream. And so we've actually sprinkled ours with a little bit of fresh parsley, but the applesauce or a sour cream would be wonderful.
Look at that. All right, let's get a close-up of this and show what these things look like. Amazing and healthy and easy to do.
Very easy.
Can I give them a test?
I hope you do.
I can?
Yes, of course.
Well, look at this. All right, we're going to give them a quick little test right here. See what we're doing. Mikey likes.
They're pretty yum.
That is really good.
Good.
Perfect. Thank you very much for coming in. I tell you what, we're going to have all of these recipes. You're going to find them on our website. Do you have a favorite recipe that we've done so far?
We love the bowl recipes that are grains, greens, and roasted vegetables.
Check it out. You're going to find all that stuff. Thanks for coming in. Once again on our website, KJRH.com.